Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. So today, instead of a normal tutorial, we're going to do something a wee bit different. My friend Chloe has very kindly packed me a makeup bag with all her products that she knows I don't have in my kit and I have never used before. So yeah, I don't know how this is going to go, but keep watching if you want to find out.
This is primer. That's what I use for primer.
Okay, so we have the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Gold Light Fix Plus. So I've never used this before, I've just used the normal Fix Plus.
So then I do my eyebrows and I use this wee product.
Okay, so we have the Benefit Browsings. And I have this, but I've never used it. Ever. I'm actually pure loving this. Definitely gonna have to give mine a wee spin. It's like really creamy. I was expecting it to be pure like wax because it's got like the wee powder and then you're meant to like set it with a wax, but it's creamy. It's nice to work with.
Okay, so then I usually carve out my eyebrows and I use the same concealer for it that I do for my under eyes.
Okay.
So here it is.
Okay, so we have the Tarte Shape Tape and this is in Fair Neutral. I have this, but I've never tried it as an eye base, but we'll have to see if it lives up to the P. Louise base, you know. That's my one and only. But at the minute it's doing rightly.
My go-to, and it's like the only palette I have that you don't, and here it is.
Chloe and I have very similar tastes, but this is one I don't have. This is the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes, and yeah, I pure want this. It's class looking. So I think I'm going to use this wee pure draw into these two and maybe a wee bit of this as well. We'll see what we come up with. So now I had just peachy all my crease and I'm going to go in with Peach Punch. And I have the Too Faced, what's it called? Peach palette. You like the big one? I have it and I think I like this more. So now to darken up the crease I'm going to go in with that Peach Sangria and maybe a tiny wee bit of Just Right. Chocolate dipped, and this is just going to get put right, oh my goodness, that's so pigmented, right in my outer V, just to darken it up a wee bit. Right doll, hit me with it.
Okay, we'll carve out your eyelid.
Okay.
And prep for the next product.
Shape Tape.
Yeah.
Yeah, I definitely don't like Shape Tape as much for carving out a lid as the P. Louise base. Because it's like a lot. The P. Louise base is thick, but Shape Tape is like even thicker, so it dries really quickly. You're not able to manipulate it as much once you set it down on the eye. You would kind of need to make sure it's perfectly placed, which ain't me.
So then I brought you a wee pigment to try on top. This is one I don't think you'll have tried before.
Okay, so it's a Bare Minerals Queen Phyllis. So it's like a champagne white gold type of situation. So I just like kind of re-wet the concealer so this has something to stick to. I'm used to like glitter glues, but this is going on so nice over the top of this concealer. Got a wee glitter liner maybe to go along with the look if you want to use it. I'm just going to colour crease with it. I can't even hold my hand right. So this is the Urban Decay one. And I have some of these in different colours. I don't use them all the time because they take ages to dry and I've got hooded eyes, so it pure goes everywhere before it's dried. But I love using them on clients.
Okay, so I brought you a wee mascara to put on.
Okay, so the Tarte Light Camera Lashes.
So for foundation, I brought you this wee one.
Okay, so this is the Kat Von D Lock It Foundation in medium warm, and Chloe is tan all the time and I'm pasty white. This is going to be far too dark for me, but we're going to make it work. Look how dark it is. Chloe, look. So this foundation is known for being pure crazy coverage. Colour isn't too bad.
Yeah.
Or is it really bad?
Not too bad.
That's a non-there piping up. Chloe, I've used so much of this. This is the first time this has ever been on my face and I love it. I think it looks class. So then we're going back in with our concealer that we used to cover the brows, and it's Shark. Why do I keep calling it Shark? Shark Shape. Tarte Shape Tape. And maybe this will bring me down to a normaler colour. I can't speak. It's safe to say that Chloe loves full coverage.
So I usually use two different setting powders, and the one I use under my eyes at the moment is this one. Might change your Laura Mercier game around.
We'll see. So this is the Kat Von D Lock It setting powder in translucent.
Okay, so I prefer a pressed powder for all over my face. So the one I brought you today is...
But this is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finished in Medium Plus. And I'm used to just using the Laura Mercier translucent loose powder just all over my face, so.
Okay, so bronzer is my kind of thing.
We're getting excited now,
So
right? Hit me with it.
The bronzer I have brought for you to try is this one.
So this is a bronzer that I have been wanting for years, I will say, since the whole time I've knew Chloe. I've always been jealous of her and this bronzer, but I've never got around to buying it. And it is the Hourglass Luminous Bronze Light. So we're going to see how, this is my first time actually using it. I always like intend to use it and then
it won't let you down.
you're right. Right. I'm for scared. As you're deadly. Right, well. This is a bad video to make because I'm going to have such a long shopping list after this. I want all this stuff.
So then I go in and contour after that, and I use like a cooler colour, so this is what you've got.
Okay, so this is from Bobbi Brown and it is the bronzing powder in Natural One.
Be really light-handed with it, just pre-warning.
I'm scared. Oh. So if you can't already tell, Chloe is a lot darker skin tone than I am. I'm a pasty white and she's like a bronzed goddess.
Okay, so now for blusher, and the one I brought you is...
So this is MAC Melba and this is pure famous everywhere. I have never ever tried it. So and I really like this because it's like a peachy colour. I love peach blushes. I can't really stand really pinky ones. I think they make me look absolutely mental. But yeah, this is the right undertone for me.
So it was hard to try and pick a highlighter that I loved and you didn't have, but I think I got it with this one. So here it is.
Okay, so this is MAC Whisper of Guilt and this is from their Extra Dimension Skin Finish, and this was like a holiday collection, yeah, but it's permanent now, I think, so this goes well. We'll be purchasing it. I remember whenever this all came out and people were going crazy because it went out of stock, and then yeah, so you must have been a lucky gal to get it. Chloe, I am pure feeling myself. Literally, I'm not giving you any of this back. Okay, so because we were getting nearly done, I went ahead and done my under eye eyeshadow and bottom mascara. Still using Chloe's products. So what's next?
Now I've got your inner corner highlight. This does not compare to nylon, but it's another thing that I would use that's similar to it.
Okay.
So here you go.
So this is the Keiko High Pigment Wet and Dry eyeshadow. So should I wet it?
No.
Or dry it? Dry.
Okay, so now it's lips, and this is like my go-to lipstick. That's like my favourite, so it goes with every look.
Okay, so this is a Charlotte Tilbury one and it is called Stoned Rose. And I don't own any Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks, so yeah. Done. Okay, and then to finish off, Chloe goes back in with what she starts with. So it is the Fix Plus Gold Light. So that is me all finished, and as you can see it turned out a lot better than expected. For products that I had never used before, I wasn't expecting it to be so good, and there's definitely quite a few of them that I'm going to have to purchase now. So I'd like to thank Chloe very, very much for yeah, she gave me this idea for a start, and letting me use all of her products and guiding me through how to use them and what to do. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, give us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to my channel. And thank you very, very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!